Well, my name is Quentin. I'm a 20 years old who moved out to live in Kigali, a huge city in Rwanda. For the past few years, I've been a content creator and finally got hired to even make more videos. I'm also a college student doing software engineering. And how does this work? Well, to be honest, I don't know either. I've managed to create a successful YouTube channel of only 400 subscribers and somehow stay at internet my current job. Life couldn't get any better, so I decided to just follow my passion. And somehow, God made it happen. I ended up becoming a video editor, software developer, and mostly a traveler. But most of my friends ask me, why travel in the first place? But for me, traveling has never been just a journey from one place to another. It has been a journey of the soul. It's always been more than just visiting new places. It's a feeling of stepping into the unknown and letting the world reveal its wonders in a way I could never possibly imagine. This dream has been a really good companion, guiding me throughout every winding road and every unexpected turns. It's not just about reaching a destination, it's about the stories I gather all along the way, the people I meet, and the cultures I immerse myself in. With every sunrise over the horizon, I'm reminded that life is all about the exploration of the world and ourselves too. Every step forward is a step into the heart of the new adventure, filled with excitement, challenge, and growth. But wait, it's not just about my journey, it's your journey too. Throughout this experience, I'm hoping to inspire one of you, or even you guys, to chase your own dreams, to step out of your comfort zone, and discover the beauty of the planet. Whether it's through bustling cities, streets, or quiet serenity nature, there is magic in every corner of the world, waiting for you to find it. So let's go beyond the traveling guides and maps. Let's connect with the essence of each place, with the people who call it home, and with the stories hidden beneath the surface. Because this channel has never been about destination really. It's about the experience to shape us, the lessons we learn, and the memories we create. Come with me as we wander, explore, and discover together. The world is vast, but every journey begins with a single step. Let's make every one of them count. Catch you guys in another one.